Hey everyone, welcome back to Foods That Heal. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And hit the like button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today, we're talking about how to make healthy meals at home and the benefits of cooking with whole foods. Nowadays, it's easy to get caught up in the convenience of fast food and takeout, but did you know that cooking at home with whole foods is one of the best things you can do for your health? Not only does it allow you to control what goes into your meals, but it's also a great way to save money and reduce food waste. So, what are whole foods? Simply put, they are foods that are minimally processed and as close to their natural state as possible. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu. One of the biggest benefits of cooking with whole foods is that they are packed with nutrients. These nutrients can help boost your immune system, lower your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall health and well-being. So, let's get cooking. Here are a few easy recipes to get you started. Roasted Vegetable Quinoa Bowl. Start by roasting your favorite veggies in the oven. We love sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and broccoli. Cook up some quinoa on the stove, and then combine everything in a bowl. Top with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Grilled chicken salad. Marinate chicken breasts in your favorite herbs and spices, then grill them up on the barbecue or in a grill pan. Combine with fresh greens, sliced veggies, and a homemade vinaigrette. Whole grain pasta with tomato sauce. Cook up some whole grain pasta. We like brown rice or quinoa pasta. And then top with a homemade tomato sauce made with fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. Chickpea and vegetable stir-fry. Heat up some oil in a wok or large skillet, and then add chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. After a minute, add in diced veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, along with canned chickpeas. Stir-fry everything together, then season with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Lentil soup with spinach and tomatoes. In a large pot, sauté onion and garlic until fragrant. Add in diced tomatoes, lentils, vegetable broth, and your favorite herbs and spices. Simmer until the lentils are tender, then stir in fresh spinach leaves until wilted. Serve hot with a slice of crusty bread. Grilled fish tacos with mango salsa. Marinate a firm white fish like tilapia or cod in lime juice, cumin, and chili powder for at least 30 minutes. Grill the fish until cooked through, then serve in warm tortillas with a homemade salsa made from diced mango, red onion, cilantro, and lime juice. Top with a dollop of sour cream or Greek yogurt. I hope these meal ideas inspire you to cook up some healthy and delicious meals at home. There you have it, folks, some easy and delicious recipes that will help you eat well and feel great. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Foods That Heal.